What would you do if you had 1 hour in the Altenew warehouse? Every day at Altenew, we walk in with a purpose, to bring meaning and joy into people's lives. Working at Altenew is not just a job, it's a celebration of beauty, kindness, and friendship. People send cards every day to their loved ones, to family and friends, even to strangers. Every day at Altenew, we remember that we are part of something more. Every day, we package little parcels of kindness and joy. Every day, we remember the honor it is to play a small part in spreading more kindness in the world. With every packaged order, we give it a little shake to make sure it remains safe and protected before it reaches its new home. We imagine the look on your face when you receive some new crafting goodies, and we wonder what beautiful projects you will put out into the world. A cute happy birthday card to honor a family member, a graduation card to celebrate new milestones, a sweet sympathy card to comfort a grieving loved one, or a friendship card to let a stranger know they're not alone. As we gather stamps and dyes and ink every day, we reflect on the circle of kindness that is sparked by an idea, a little creativity, and a whole lot of love. Every day, we place bundles of joy into a box and watch as the mail truck carries away our gifts of love to you. The moment your order leaves our building and goes off into the world, we feel a sense of satisfaction and assurance that you will carry it forward and continue the cycle of kindness. So, if you visited Altenew headquarters for 1 hour, what would you do?
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!